Everybody, it's me, JT the Bee Guy, and it's been a while since you've seen me, but I'm back and I wanted to share a video with you. Today we are here at Steve's property where we're going to be putting our bees into this beautiful bee house. Yes, we have a bee house that we created here at Steve's property, and we're going to do a nuke. We're going to install some bees and we're going to have a really great time. So I'll see you back in a little while. JT the Bee Guy here with you in Middletown, New York. And I'm back with Steve. And Steve is having a very exciting adventure. We are going to be installing a nuke, and he's very excited to see how active the bees are. So
they are active.
We're going to be doing this. We're going to start. So here we go. Hello, guys. Ladies. Hold this camera just so you can. There we go. Beautiful. Hello, hello. Here's your hive tool. Alrighty.
Now what am I gonna? Now what?
So you're coming over here with me.
Okay.
Here's the bees.
Here's the bees.
Here's Steve.
Here I am looking the way I am now.
And I want you to reach in with your hive tool.
This way.
And lift up this frame. Move it over to the edge. Put the frame in between. Put the hive tool in between.
Right here?
In between here. Okay. And just gently move it. Yep, just like that. Now I want you to take the back end of the hive tool.
Okay. Put it in here.
And I want you to lift it up. Gently. All right. Oh, no, don't drop them. They'll get upset.
I don't blame them.
Don't be scared. Just get in there.
Okay.
You don't be nervous. They can smell fear.
Okay.
All right. So just pick up the other side of the frame. Just pick it straight up. And I want you to put that frame in that box right there. Perfect. Just set it right inside there.
Okay, guys.
Great job.
There you go.
Move that frame over.
Move it to
move that frame
this
against.
one?
Yep. No, this way.
Over towards it.
Correct. All the way over. Perfect.
Okay. Now I'm going to stick another one in there.
Correct. And what you're doing now is you're checkerboarding this frame.
Okay.
So we're going to
open this up.
Yep. Take out another one. Now, we're going to look at this frame before you do anything with it.
Can I put this in?
No. So, set your hive tool down and hold your frame on both sides. All right, and we're going to lift it up and we're going to turn around. I want the sun over your shoulder, so behind you. So you want to hold the camera, or
you want me to hold the camera?
Or I'll hold the camera. Why don't let go of the bees.
Okay, I was holding it. I don't know what you're trying to do.
I want to show you.
Okay. Oh, okay.
That's what we're doing. We're looking at brood. So all of this is brood.
Okay.
These are all your beautiful bees here, but this is all capped brood.
Okay.
And what I wanted you to do is look in to see if we can see any eggs.
Oh yeah, I see. And then inside there,
so this is pollen here.
Okay.
And eggs would be little white things that are there, and more than likely they're...
Isn't there some right in the middle there? See that?
I can't see. Possibly.
Ah, interesting.
See how gentle they are?
Yeah.
There's no reason to be fearful, right?
No.
Okay. Go ahead and put them in that other box. Perfect. Slide your frame over. No, the other way, towards it. Excellent. And now let's get another one.
I am glad I'm wearing a suit.
Yes, you are.
Now, can I just grab it with my hands, or should I use this tool?
You should use the tool to lift it up, just so you can get a better handle on it. Okay. Now, lift it. I don't want you to put it in there. We're going to look at the bees because I want you to learn. So we're looking for cells of freshly laid eggs. So see that milky liquidity?
Yeah.
So those are all brood there.
Okay.
And all of these here are nurse bees.
Ah.
So they're tending to all of these babies that are here.
Okay.
And we could stand here and look for the queen, turn the frame
There's
over
white
the
in there.
side.
See in the end here? Right down there?
Yep, that's all brood. So turn the frame over. Hold on to it tightly. And we could sit here and look for our queen if we wanted to, but I don't really think it's important to find the queen because we know we have one. So go ahead and put that in there. And if you want
a few bees get crushed.
yep, and if you want to pick this box up and put it up there so it's closer for you. No, this box here, the nuke.
Okay.
And put it up there on the shelf just so it's closer. And then we can just take those two out. And you should be able to just move them over now.
And grab them.
And just pick it up. Yep.
Okay, guys.
Ooh, pull that one back out for a second. That's a queen cell. See that?
Oh, okay.
That's what a queen cell looks
wow.
like. So ideally, we should take that out.
And
because we don't need a queen cell, because that means that they're going to have a desire to swarm soon if she's born. So we could either...
Where would you take her when you take her out? Bring her home, you mean?
Well, I could take her home, but I'm not going to. So we'll just leave it in there for now.
Okay. And then pull this one forward.
Yep, move that over.
And place the last one in there.
The last one. Let me look at that frame. I want to see it. Turn it around here in the light. So that's all predominantly honey, and turn it over the other side. And this is brood. And turn it around. Wait, turn it towards me. And I just think I saw the queen. Which I don't see her there now. Okay, you can put that frame in. Gently set them down. Beautiful. That box can go on top of this bottom board.
Okay, now it's got to be turned the long way, right?
Mm-hmm. It's going to go right there. Gently set it down. Perfect. And you're going to take this box. You're going to turn it upside down and set it
On top of that?
But not yet. This is our inner cover. The inner cover has a hole on it.
Okay.
And so the inner cover goes on. And then that box goes on top.
This
Just
one?
upside down, yep.
And they'll go inside.
They'll go inside. And that is an install of a nuke. How do you feel about it?
Great. I feel great.
Excellent. Excellent. Good job. Good job.